Hello guys, and welcome to the next Slayer guide. In this one we'll be killing black demons for Movran. As you can see, Movran assigns quite a few of them, and this is basically one of the tasks that you want to do because you will get a decent amount of Slayer experience and it really doesn't take that long. So you can kill black demons in various locations. I will be showing you guys two of those, and for the setup you can effectively use range because they are weak to bolts, but as with most of the demons I'm using melee and I'm using dark light. Enhanced Excalibur in my offhand, Bando set of course, Asylum Surgeon's Ring, Tyranqueer number 4, Demon Horn necklace with a tuned ectoplasmator because they always drop Infernal Ashes, Mighty Slayer helmet, Max cape and Penance aura. In my inventory, as you can see, only 15th anniversary cake for occasional healing, Captain's log, gem bag upgrade, charming imp, spring cleaner and magic notepaper. Other than that, I will just bring my Hortstalker ring for the second location where we will be killing them. The first one is Taverlin dungeon, so other than these two locations which we'll be visiting in this guide, you can kill black demons in Al-Kharid, in Edgewood dungeon, in Brimhaven dungeon and in Chaos tunnels. First we will be killing them in Taverlin dungeon. For this location you need Dusty Key, unless you have agility level required for the two shortcuts in dungeon. So the first one, which you will see on the bottom of the screen where you enter the dungeon, requires level 70 agility, and the one above that requires level 80 agility. If you don't have those two levels, you can still get the black demons. You will just need to run a bit more and use Dusty Key. So yeah, as you can see, the bottom agility shortcut, as I said, level 70 agility, and this one which I'm using, level 80 agility requirement. And then from that shortcut just round to the south, and in this big area in the south part of the dungeon you will see a lot of black demons. So yeah, as you are using a Demon Horn necklace with a tuned ectoplasmator, you can easily use Soul Split the whole time because Infernal Ashes are more than enough for this task and recuperating your prayer points. I'm bringing Gem upgrade because these black demons drop a lot of gems. Charming Imp, they drop Crimson Charms 44% of the time, so that's nice. In regards to GP, you won't get much on this task. Basically every time you do it you'll get around, but mostly below 1 million GP. Yeah, as you can see, they drop lots of noted stuff, noted herbs, they drop rune items, that's why I'm bringing Spring Cleaner. And the thing that you want to be using magic notepaper on, or Pek'Yek with of course his summoning scrolls, is Wine of Zamorak. Wine of Zamorak is currently worth 7.1k GP on Grand Exchange. Black demons give around 880 combat experience and 294.4 Slayer experience per kill, so that really stacks up when you have a task of around 300 black demons. So that's why I'm almost always doing this task, not skipping it but also not preferring it. And what else to say about black demons? They start off with 9000 life points, and other than that they hit quite hard. Their max hit is 672 and they attack only with magic, but their accuracy aside, their attacks are consistent, and as you saw, they are aggressive, so using Soul Split the most of the time while you are here is highly recommended. And now for the second location, Chaos Tunnels. As you can see, I just use my Hortstalker ring and then you want to enter the resource dungeon. The reason why I want to do that is because in this resource dungeon, which requires level 70, yes, level 70 dungeoneering, there are 8 black demons. So even though they are not aggressive right now, they are usually aggressive. I think they will start to become aggressive, just a moment. And yeah, 8 black demons are here. This place is usually not crowded at all, so you can easily kill them here and choose this location over Taverley Dungeon if you want. And yeah, that's all for this guide. I hope you are doing your Black Demons task, and as always, enjoy!